Hello, Sally. Can you see me?
I can. How are you? What's your name? Sorry.
My name is Anush,
And
and it's nice to meet you,
nice to meet
Sally.
you too. What can I help you with today?
Sally, where are you now? First of all, tell me.
I'm in London, so I am.
And where are you from?
I'm from Ireland. Where are you from?
Okay, cool. I'm from India, Sally.
Oh, okay. Congratulations to India with their first landing on the moon.
Thank you so much, Sally. It's
are are
really a
you
proud.
are you a teacher?
Yes, you can say, but not properly. I like teaching though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh,
Well,
okay.
basically, I want to talk that I asked you that where are you from, and you said you're from Ireland. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so um, I want to talk about that if I go there, okay, or if
Mm-hmm.
a person
One person.
goes to Ireland,
Mm-hmm.
where he or she should visit,
Visit.
must visit.
Visit.
Yeah,
Just be careful with the
yeah.
V's. It depends. What do you like to do? Do you like do you like outdoor activities? Do you like history? Do you like cities? Do you like countryside?
So on the basis of your recommendation,
It depends on you as a person. So if you like the countryside, you're going to go to the west. You've got what we called, I'm going to just type this in for you so you know, called the Wild Atlantic Way.
okay,
And that
ready?
is basically a route that is from the north all the way along the west coast of the Atlantic Ocean in Ireland down to the south. And very beautiful, very
What did you
scenic.
say? Did you write the name?
Wild Atlantic Way.
Okay, Wild Atlantic Way. Okay.
Yeah. So that's absolutely beautiful. The main cities, Galway, Cork.
So you recommend to visit this way, Wild
Yeah.
Atlantic Way.
Yeah. If you love countryside, the coast, very dramatic coastline, beaches, hiking, surfing,
Mhm.
the weather.
Beautiful nature.
Yeah, exactly. And like say for example, if you want to see kind of like city life, Dublin is, of course, like the capital city, very different from the West
Dublin.
Coast. Yeah, very different.
Okay.
Um, all along the West Coast is the mountains. In the center of Ireland, you have like the flatlands, the boglands. Very different landscape. When you go to the east, the weather is better. You've got beautiful places like Waterford, oldest city in Ireland.
Okay.
Kilkenny's
Right.
beautiful, Marble City.
Mhm.
They're beautiful.
Okay.
Galway, great city.
Or
Yeah, beautiful Cork. Then you've got
so
the northern tip of Donegal. Yeah, definitely. What do you
tell
know about Ireland?
tell me what is Waterford?
The city in the southeast of Ireland. Waterford, Kilkenny, Galway, Cork, Donegal, they're all places in Ireland.
Okay, Galway,
Mm.
Cork, and Donegal.
Donegal. But
Donegal.
the question, what
I-
do you know about Ireland? Like, what do you know about it?
To be honest, if I say I don't know much. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So
And
I just know about the beautiful place if I go there as a traveler. Okay. So
mm-hmm,
at least one should know about some places where
mm-hmm,
he must try to go.
mm-hmm,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. And also about some foods. Also
Mm.
about transportation. I want to talk about.
Okay. Now that's the thing about Ireland. If you come to Ireland and you
Okay.
come by yourself, you will have to drive. Transportation system is not good in Ireland. Like the trains, not like India, don't have an excellent trains network.
Transportation.
Yeah,
Okay.
trains network. So no, the network would not be good in Ireland for trains. And it's very expensive. So the most
Oh,
likely thing that maybe what would be a good thing if you're traveling a lot around the country is a camper van. So
is
you
what
could
what
a camper van,
again?
like an RV recreational
Oh,
vehicle, camper van.
camper van. Okay.
Yeah, which would be a really, really good thing because it's accommodation and it's
Mm-hmm.
transport. It's expensive. Ireland is very expensive.
Oh,
So it is. Yeah,
okay.
very expensive. That's something. It's very expensive. Like for
So must keep
food,
it in mind.
yeah, it's really expensive compared to an awful lot of other European countries. It's very expensive. Food, we've got very good seafood because it's an
Uh,
island. Yeah, seafood is key. I'm not gonna say that maybe it's like they don't have like we don't have the reputation that India has for their spices or for their many different types of dishes. You don't have that in Ireland, but you do have like a lot of very good meat, fish, vegetables that are used with many different ingredients from other parts of the world to improve it. But you've got lot of very good fish dishes, which would be very different. Like Irish and Indian food are like polar opposite completely. Like very much so. Very, very much so. What else? The weather. Like we've had a very bad summer. Well, the UK had a bad summer too, but it's been a very bad summer. It's been very wet and very humid.
oh,
And of course, like, if you live in the monsoon areas of India, you'll know what rain is, but we didn't have a lot of sunshine this year. We don't have great heat. We had a lot of very wet weather. So it depends. Like, you could come in September, October time, and the weather could be fabulous when it's autumn. We had
okay.
lovely weather in May and June this year, and July and August was terrible. Terrible weather. You need good foot gear for hiking, anything like that. Do you ever think about surfing? Ireland is like
Yeah.
very famous for surfing because we're right on
That,
the coast. Surfing. Um,
so it's the example if I want to do some sports activity,
mhm.
then surfing is good.
Yeah,
Okay.
so hiking
So
is
it's
good.
another,
Hill
yeah,
walking.
it's another
Yeah.
example. It's
Mm.
another option that one
Yeah.
can do there.
Yeah, 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 definitely. Like
Yeah.
there's hiking tours which are very good. Like Ireland's good for it. They're nothing too like it's not like the Alps or anything. This is very manageable to go hill walking and hiking in
Where
Ireland.
where do you live in Ireland?
Oh no, I don't live in Ireland, so I live in London.
No, at this time, but I mean, where are you from in
I'm in
Ireland?
I'm from the northwest. I'm right up on the corner.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the name of the place? Is it a
So
city or?